Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to schedule a post on Instagram. Friends, you can very easily schedule your post in Instagram. So to schedule a new post, press on the plus icon. Now here you need to select a image or video. Now after selecting the content, press on the blue arrow. Now here you can add a filter. Now after adding filter, press on the blue arrow. Now add a caption. Now after adding caption, scroll it little down and here you will find additional settings. In additional setting, you will find the option to schedule your post. Enable it. Now select the date and time. Now after selecting date and time, press on done. Press on the back arrow. Now to schedule the post, press on the blue tick. Now friends, we have successfully scheduled our post on Instagram. So friends, like this you can very easily schedule a post on Instagram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.